3, 2, 1. I'll leave you in the capable hands of my cousin Jim.
At the end of the day, we're going to give him an ice cream.
We are now sitting in the side of the LBC van.
Going to do a bit of fishing by the looks of it.
I go like this, I'll be a homie, man. Like a homie, man. You know, from the streets, man, yeah?
Hello, welcome to another week at LBC. It's Tuesday morning, the 9th of August. I've just come here to Northolt where the team are underway cleaning some bins at a religious festival. So let's have a look, see what the guys are up to and see how we're cleaning the bins. Right, so let's have a look at these bins. They've been provided for the festival. Let's have a closer look, see what sort of condition they're in. So as you can see, there's a lot of curry stuck to the sides of some of those bins. So what we're going to do, we've got Jim, who's got the hot water van. He's got a bit of steam cleaning up his sleeve if he needs it. And the hot water is very good for greasy foods or greasy dirt or anything like that. So we're going to use degreaser and steam on the really stubborn ones. So this is a massive event. It's the first time we've done this event, but it's a global event. And this year it's in West London in Northolt. So this waste company's called us up, quite a rapid response. They only called up a few days ago and we managed to book it in for them. We're going to be cleaning at least 80 of these bins today. The guys have already done around 30, I believe. And then we're back here tomorrow to clean some of the larger 1100 bins. Right guys, so I'll quickly talk you through the process today. We've brought two vans today. We've got a regular domestic wheelie bin cleaning van and we've got one of the steam cleaning vans. Now the reason we brought both of them is because the regular domestic bin cleaning van doesn't have a boiler in it, so it doesn't have hot water. And there's enough bins here to make it worth our while bringing both vans today. So this van has hot water, which is really good for food and grease in the bins. So the process today, these are lining up here is the dirty bins. Jim is cleaning the outside of the lids with the hot water. He's giving them over to Daniel. Daniel's cleaning the inside of the bins inside this special wash bay, so we catch all the wastewater on the van. Once he's done that, any stubborn parts that are not coming off of his cold system, Jim's giving them a rinse over with the hot steam clean. And then we're spraying some nice smelly stuff in them afterwards as well. Okay guys, I'm going to shoot off now. I'm going to leave you in the capable hands of my cousin Jim.
What I'm going to do here now is I'm going to spend the next couple of hours supervising Daniel, make sure he gets the bins nice and clean. And I'm going to sit back and relax and let Daniel do all the work in this lovely heat.
Going to do a bit of fishing by the looks of it.
Yes. On that note, I better get back and do a bit so to make sure he can keep going. See you later guys. There's about 80 bins in total to be done and we're at what, Daniel?
I think there's about 25 left today.
I don't think I've ever seen Daniel work as hard in his life.
It looks like I've been in the shower.
Yeah.
I'm doing all the work as usual.
At the end of the day, we're going to give him an ice cream.
smell? What's the flavour?
Hair drop.
Pear drop.
Hair drop. Smells lovely.
Irish Gym. So before we knock off, I understand LBC have made some upgrades to the fleet. Do you want to just tell the fans what you've done?
Well, what we've done on pretty much all of the fans is we put in this Linex floor. So what that does is helps the longevity of our fans. So what it does is it protects the base metal from the water, from rusting, from chemicals that we use that could potentially damage them. It gives us a protective membrane between that and the base. So it's a new floor gone in, it's good quality floor, and it helps just keep give the fans a bit more longevity.
What else we got, Jim?
Our next addition to the fan has been we have an inlet water system here going on to an elbow here, and what we have added into it is a ball cock on the tanks so that when the tanks fill up they're not overfilling and we're not wasting any water. So that again is adding to the longevity of the fan, so it's not overfilling, there's not water sitting within the fan, and it's also saving precious water, especially during this heat wave and that when we need it.
We are now sitting in the side of the LBC fan, and with that we're just showing you some new additions we have to the fan. We have this chemical container here where we put in any acids we use for the brick cleaning and that. Our solvent cleaners, anything that's flammable is going in here, so it's kept nice and safe. We've also added an eye wash station, so to get in line with health and safety with some of the chemicals we're using to make sure we look after our staff as well, and that while we're here, and a protective cream, hand cleaner and hand sanitizer as well, and some tissue. So with that, it's just added all this to the fan just to get it more up to code, get everything nice and safe for everybody, and keep everything nice and tidy.
Quick debrief. Both happy with how the job went?
Yeah, it went good, didn't it, Dan?
Yeah, we got it all done. Good timing. Now off to do some more work.
So how many bins? What was the count in the end? Do you know?
Oh, it's good.
80 bins in total.
80 bins.
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I'll leave the sign off to Conan. Quick handshake for the fans. Thanks for watching this week's episode where we've watched Jim and Daniel do a great job cleaning the bins at this festival in Northolt in West London. If you're liking our content, please make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. We're going to be going for a weekly video now, so it'd be great to see the subscribers increase. And if you've got any comments, do leave them below and I'll respond to you. Click here to subscribe to our channel. Click here for our top rated pressure washing videos, and click here to see Daniel doing his regular domestic bin cleaning rounds.